How to export your Figma project to JPEG. To do this, we get our image or our project in Figma and we go to the right hand side and we go to export. You want to click on this tab and now you can choose the scale in which it will be exported. This is 1:1, so it will be the original size, which it is here. We can also downscale it to make it smaller or upscale it to make it bigger. We can also add a suffix, and here we are going to choose our file format, in this case JPEG, but you can also go for PNG, SVG, or PDF, but in this case I'm just going to choose JPEG. And from here I can set my color profile. Just going to leave it like that for now. And you can also check this box which says ignore overlapping layers. And after that we can preview it if we're not sure how it's going to turn out, if we have more stuff going on in just the photo. And once we're satisfied with that, we just click on export and we can choose which parts of our project we can export. We can either choose all of them or handpick what we want to keep and what not. After that we click export and it will start downloading the file, and that's it. That's how you export a Figma project to JPEG. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.